Hey guys, in this video I'm hoping to clarify some of the event information that we will need for both on-campus and off-campus events. As always, if any of these things are confusing to you or you would like a specific example, please reach out to bookkeeping@usg.uconn.edu or funding supervisor at usg.uconn.edu in order for a more in-depth answer. I first want to go over the information that we're always going to request. This is a solid roster, which you can get from emailing solid@uconn.edu. This must be from the semester you are requesting funding from, since people are capable of graduating in between semesters. Vendor information such as names, emails, description of services, and cost of services. 2 additional quotes for anything that's over $5,000, and a justification as to why we should proceed with your vendor. Number of attendees, both undergrad and graduate, event confirmation / proof of event. Additional information for off-campus events. So off-campus events, we're going to need an off-campus notification form. If you have changed any dates on your off-campus notification form, please return your request with the original off-campus notification form and a screenshot of the email confirmation that they received for your change in dates and times. Number of participants, and a list of attendees with their full names. For additional information for on-campus events, we need a UContact event confirmation, room reservation confirmation, and a confirmation email screenshot that you have met with the funding supervisor, and lastly, some form of RSVP. Here I have a solid roster, and this is the only type of roster that we are capable of receiving from you because it is the only one that has first name, last name, semester standing, and net ID. It also shows the exact date and time in which it was refreshed. Any other type of documentation that you provide instead of this for a roster, such as downloading yours from UContact or drafting one up yourself, will be sent back to you until you are capable of gathering this by emailing solid@uconn.edu. Here I have pulled up an example of an off-campus notification form. This is an email that will be sent to you after you have completed filling out the off-campus notification form using the link that is attached to our Kuali build form under off-campus notification. As you can see, this form has you complete all the information that we would need in order for you to travel. Next, I have an example of a room reservation confirmation that is usually sent over for any of the rooms that you utilize in the student union. As you can see, it says, please be aware of the following: all food and beverages must be provided by UConn Catering. Or if you're using an outside vendor, you will need to make sure that you link your confirmation that you have had with the student union that you are able to have an outside vendor. It'll also have the date in which you're renting the room and the total. This is another type of room rental quote or confirmation that you can receive. You can receive these by just directly emailing whoever is in charge of the specific space that you are trying to rent out. This one is for the Jorgensen Center for the Performing Arts. As you can see, it'll say when it is reserved for and between what time. And this is just as good as any quote because it is coming directly from them. So these are also suitable.